What is aldosterone escape mechanism? It is a mechanism developed by the body where the body tries to deal with excess of mineralocorticoid. Mineralocorticoid is a steroid hormone synthesized by the adrenalins, and aldosterone is the type of mineralocorticoid. Now, the name itself suggests that aldosterone escape, that is, the body is trying to escape from the excess effects of aldosterone. Now, due to some pathologies, there can be prolonged mineralocorticoid excess. Certain pathologies like hyperaldosteronism, where excess aldosterone is being produced. Due to this excess aldosterone being produced, there is increased sodium retention, that is, increased more and more sodium is being reabsorbed from the tubules, and water follows sodium. Wherever sodium goes, water follows osmotically. So sodium and water retention will occur. This will cause increase in the blood volume. So as blood volume is being increased, the blood pressure is also being increased. So when blood pressure crosses a certain point, body adopts a mechanism to deal with this excess. Body releases a factor called atrial natriuretic factor, ANF. You can see my earlier video. As blood pressure is increased, there are certain receptors present in the right atrium which sense this increase in blood pressure and even increase in the blood volume, and they release ANF. ANF causes decreased sodium intake. It inhibits sodium reabsorption from the tubules, so no sodium is being reabsorbed, and as no sodium is reabsorbed, no water will be reabsorbed, so sodium and water excretion occurs. Because of this, the ECF volume will decrease and the blood pressure will be back to normal. So this is a mechanism by which the body is trying to escape from the effects of excess aldosterone being produced.